Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to quickly go over the intro to PostgreSQL, how to download it, how to set it up so you can start using it as a database management system and add data into it, practice your SQL, or just use it to store information and data. So if you go into Google and look up PostgreSQL, you're going to want to go down to this website. It's the official postgresql.org with like a little elephant as the icon. So now if you click download, pick your operating system. I have a Windows operating system. From this page, you're going to see the different versions, but you're actually going to want to download the installer. So this will be for Windows. You would click the newest version. So after that's done, you're going to want to find it in your file explorer and click it, and this will show up. So you're going to want to click next. This is just where on your computer it will install in the file path. You can leave these as is and click next, next. So you're going to create your own unique password. So for this, we'll just do a simple password that you should write down to remember. This is the port you'll be on. You shouldn't worry about that for right now, but you can always check it in the database. But you could write that down as well. Default local, next. And now the installation begins, and we'll be back after it's done installing. Okay, so it finished installing. We're just going to click finish here at the bottom. So you're just going to click PostgreSQL 15 on the ports, click next. So these will be different add-ons you can have, drivers, there's a lot here. We will need to pick an installation package. So for this, just choose the language pack, version 1. So now we're just finishing installing the language pack, and after this is done, we'll be able to get in there and start adding data to our database. So after that's done installing, what you're going to want to do is go into your search bar at the bottom and type in PostgreSQL. So you can go to the documentation page, click Open File Location. And so if you actually open the documentation, this will be a great resource to learn SQL, like what is PostgreSQL, getting started. You can learn syntax here, so it's a great way to figure out how to actually start creating SQL queries. But also from this page, so you're going to want to go back to PostgreSQL. So if we open pgadmin4, this will be the database management system that we'll be working with. So after that's done loading, this is our master password for pgadmin. So you can make it the same as your other password. So after you click on the server for PostgreSQL, input your password that you just input. You'll come up with this page, and this is where we'll start in the next video adding data to our database and going over the dashboard and different options that are available for pgadmin 4. So please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll start a series where we go through PostgreSQL, adding data, and different ways to import, export, and basic queries to get started learning SQL. Thanks for watching.